Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking. In this video, we are going to examine insert feature number 8, equation, for the Google Doc series. With that being said, let's begin. To insert an equation, I need to click on insert and then select equation. This causes the equation toolbar to appear at the top of my Google Doc. As can be seen, a special box is around my cursor. This is where my equation will be in my Google Doc. To type an equation, all I have to do is start with my numbers and then select the various symbols I might need for my equation. For this equation, I am going to create a multiplication problem. So I can continue with using the characters in the equation toolbar, or if I have some of the symbols on my keyboard, I can simply complete the equation in this manner. To exit out of my equation, all I have to do is move my cursor to another part of the Google Doc. If I need to start a new equation, I can click on the new equation and then I can start typing in my new equation where my cursor is within my Google Doc. To stop creating an equation, all I have to do is move my cursor outside of this special box. If I need to remove the equation toolbar from my Google Doc, all I have to do is click on the X in the upper right-hand side of the screen, and my equation toolbar has been removed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.